Very good morning, my dear students. Last class I explained introduction of exercise 3.4. Now today class will solve problems on exercise 3.4. Last class I gave that find the inverse of matrix by using elementary row operation method. Shortcut method I given. Here elementary row operation method shortcut. You can use these 4 steps. You can solve any problem. Step 1, R1 implies R1 by A11. Step 2, R2 implies R2 minus A21 R1. Step 3, R3 implies R2 by A22. Step 4, R1 implies R1 minus A12 R2. Using these 4 steps, you can solve any problem finding A inverse of a matrix using elementary row operation. First problem you can see here they given 1 minus 1 2 3. Here given I am taking given A equal to here 1 minus 1 2 3. Now you have to take A equal to IA. A equal to IA. Now A matrix here. What is A matrix? 1 minus 1 2 3 equal to I matrix 1 0 0 1 into A. Now using elementary row operation method, left side A matrix we have should become identity matrix. First one, step 1, R1 implies R1 by A11. A11 meaning here first row first column 1. Now this operation what apply both sides, left side and right side. R1 by 1, 1 by 1 1, minus 1 by 1 1, 1 by 1 1, 0 by 1 0. Now we can write this one 1 minus 1 2 3 equal to right side 1 0 0 1 into A. Next one, step 2, R2 implies R2 minus A21 R1. A21 meaning second row first column. Second row first column is value 2 here. R2 implies R2 minus A21 second row first column 2 into R1. Now here R1 no changes. That's why you have to write directly R1. Next R2. What is R2 here? 2 minus 2 into R1 above value 1. Next 2 here. R2 3 minus 2 into minus 1 equal to same thing right side. R1 no changes 1 here 0. Next one R2 here. R2 is 0 minus 2 into R1 above 1. Next 0 minus 2 into R1 here 0. So R2 is here 1 into A. Now 1 minus 1. 2 minus 2 0. Minus into minus plus 3 plus 2 5 equal to here 1 0. Here 0 minus 2 1 minus 2 into 0 0 1 plus 0 1 into. Now step 1 step 2 come. Next step 3 step 3 R2 implies R2 by A22. A22 means here second row second column value is here 5. Now R1 no changes 1 minus 1. Here second row divided by 5. 0 by 5 0, 5 by 5 1 equal to right side here 1 0 minus 2 by 5 here 1 by 5 into here A. 3 steps over. Next fourth step, R1 implies R1 minus A12. A12 meaning first row second column. First row second column here minus 1 into R2. Again R1 implies R1 minus here minus 1 here R2. You can write this one minus into minus plus also. Or this you can write here R1 implies R1 plus R2 you can write. Mean sum of the R1 and R2 row you can write getting answer in R1 place. Now I am writing here R1 plus R2. Here 1 plus 0 1. Next here otherwise 1 plus 0 you can write. Here minus 1 plus 1. Here 0 1. Right side here 1 plus minus 2 by 5. 1 minus 2 by 5. 0 plus 1 by 5. here minus 2 by 5, here 1 by 5 into A. Now 1 0 0 1 equal to right side 1 minus 2 by 5, 3 by 5, here 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5, here 1 by 5 into A. Therefore here you got answer I equal to BA. If you get I equal to BA, that means B is called inverse of A matrix. You can write B equal to here A inverse. Therefore A inverse equal to, what is the B matrix here? 3 by 5, 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5, here 1 by 5. Now you got answer using that 4 steps. Next question number 2, 2 1 1 1 they given. Here given A equal to, let A equal to, I am taking 2 1 1 1. Now we have to write here A equal to IA. A matrix here 2 1 1 1 equal to I matrix 1 0 0 1 into A. Now I am solving problem using elementary row operation. Now before that we know that 4 steps. First step 1, R1 implies R1 by A11. R1 implies R1 by A11. A11 meaning first row, first column. First row, first column here 2. First row divided by 2 in both sides. Here we get 2 by 2 1. Here 1 by 2 1 1 equal to right side 1 by 2 0 0 1 into A. Next step 1 comes next step 2. R2 implies R2 minus A21. Second row first element 1 into here R1. Now this is, you can write R, you can write R2 implies R2 minus R1. You have to subtract the second row minus first row. Those elements you have to write in the place of second row. Now R1 no changes 1, here 1 by 2. Second row you have to do R2 minus R1, you have to write in the place of R2. R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1. Here 1 minus 1 by 2 equal to right side. R1 no changes, 1 by 2 0. Here 0 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 0 into A. Now we will get here 1 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 equal to here 1 by 2 0 minus 1 by 2, here 1. Yeah. Step 1 step 2 complete. Next one step 3. Step 3, R2 implies R2 by A2. A2 means second row second element. Here 1 by 2. Both sides second row divided by 1 by 2. First row no changes, 0 1 by 2. Next, sorry, here 1 by 2, second row divided by 1 by 0 by anything 0. Next 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, 1 equal to right side. First row no changes, 1 by 2 0. Second row minus 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 1 by 2, here 2. Next, last step. You got 4th step. R1 implies R1 minus A12. Here A12 value is R1 minus here A12 into R2. Here first row 1 minus 1 by 2, R2 value is 0. Here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1. Here 0 1 equal to right side. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into minus 1. Here 0 minus 1 by 2 into 2. 2a. Next here minus 1. Here value is 2. Now here 0 and anything 0. 1 minus 0 means 1. Here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 0. Here 0 1 equal to right side. minus into minus plus, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 2 by 2 value is 1. Here 2 cancel, 0 minus 1 minus 1. Here minus 1 2 into a. Now we got here I equal to BA. Left side A matrix will become identity matrix. I equal to BA. Therefore, what you write here? B equal to A inverse. Here, therefore, A inverse equal to B matrix. 1 minus 1 minus 1 2. You got that answer. Question number 3. 1 3 2 7 they given. We have write given if A equal to here 1 3 2 7. Now if A equal to I A. Now A matrix here 1 3 2 7 equal to identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Here A. Step 1. R1 implies R1 by A11. A11 means here first row, first column. Here R1 implies R1 by A11 means value 1. That means both sides divided by first row 1 value. 1 3 2 7 equal to here 1 0 0 1 into A. And one more thing, A11 value 1 means here no need of first step. Directly you can go step 2, step 3, step 4. Once again remember, A11 value 1 is given means no need of applying first step. You can solve step 2, step 3, step 4. You will get answer. Now step 1 complete. Step 2. R2 implies R2 minus A21. Second row first element 2 into R1. Now here write R1. No changes. 1 3. R2 means 2. 2 minus 2 into 1. Next here 7 minus 2 into 3. Here I am writing R2 minus 2 into R1 is 0. Here again R2 present R2 minus 2 into R1 equal to right side 1 0. Next R2 means here 0 minus 2 into 1 above 1. Next here R2 means here present R2 1 minus 2 into here 0 into A. Now 1 3 2 minus 2 0 7 minus 6 2 3 are 6 7 minus 6 1 equal to here 1 0 0 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 2 into 0 1 into A. You completed second step. Third step, R2 implies R2 by A22. A22 value here 1. 1 is there means no need of solving that step. Otherwise you can solve means here second row by 1. First row no changes here 1 3 0 1 equal to here right side 1 0 minus 2 1 into A. Next one fourth step. R1 implies R1 minus A12. A12 means first row, second column. First row, second column here 3 into R2. Now R1. 1 minus 3 into R2 here 0. Next 3 minus 3 into R2 value here 1. Second row no changes 0 1 equal to here. R1 means first 1 minus 3 into here minus 2. Here 0 minus 3 into R2 is here 1. Now minus 2 1 into A. Here remember condition R1 minus 3 into R2. 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 Now simplify. 1 3 into 0 means 0. 1 minus 0 means 1. Here 3 minus 3 0. Here 0 1 equal to here minus into minus plus. Here 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7. Next 0 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus 2 here 1 into A. Now you got left side identity matrix. Now this is in the form of I equal to BA. Therefore here B B equal to A inverse. What is the A inverse here? A inverse equal to 7 minus 3 minus 2 1. Next question number 4. Next question number 4. 2 3 5 7. First one given. Let A equal to 2 3 5 7. Now we have to write A equal to IA. Now what is the A matrix here? 2 3 5 7 equal to identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Here A matrix identity here into A. Now step 1. R1 implies R1 by A11. A11 is first row first column 2. R1 implies R1 by A11 means here 2 value. Both sides left side right side divided by first row 2. If you simplify 2, but you get 2 by 2 1. Here 3 by 2. Second row no changes. 5 7 equal to here 1 by 2 0 0 1 into A. Next step 2. R2 implies R2 minus here A21 into means 5 R1. Now we will get here R1 no changes 1, here 3 by 2. Now R2 means second row 5 minus 5 into R1. R1 is here 1. Next here second row R2 means here present R2 7 minus 5 into R1. R1 is here 3 by 2 equal to right side. Now here first row no changes 1 by 2 0. Next here 0 R2 minus 5 into R1. R1 is 1 by 2. Next R2 1 minus 5 into R1 is 0 into A. Once again second step R2 implies R2 minus 5 R1. Here R2 means present here 5 minus 5 into R1 is 1. Next R2 element is here 7 minus 5 into here R1 is 3 by 2. R2 minus present R2 here 0 minus 5 into here R1 is 1 by 2. Next R2 1 minus 5 into R1 is 0. Now simplify here 1 3 by 2 5 minus 5 0. Now you can see 7 minus 5 3 is 15. 7 minus 15 by 2. 14 minus 15 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 equal to here 1 by 2 0. 0 minus 5 into 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Here 1 minus 5 into 0 1 into A. Next step 2 comes step 3. R2 implies R2 by A22. A22 means here second row second element minus 1 by 2. Now here R1 no changes. What is R1? 1 3 by 2 0 minus here second row 0 by anything 0 minus 1 by 2 by minus 1 by 2 1 equal to right side. Here 1 by 2 0 minus 5 by 2 by minus 1 by 2 minus minus cancel 2 to cancel. Here 5 1 by minus 1 by 2 minus 2 into A. Next last step R1 implies R1 minus A12. A12 means first row second element 3 by 2 into R2. Now R1 1 minus here 3 by 2 into 0. 1 here R1 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 1 0 1 right side equal to here 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 R2 is here 5. Next 0 minus 3 by 2 into minus 2. Here R1 R2 5 minus 2 here A. Now simplify. Here 1 0 0 1 equal to 1 by 2 minus 15 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 15 by 2 value is minus 14 by 2. Minus 14 by 2 you can write minus 7. Here 2 to cancel, minus into minus plus. Here 3 5 minus 2 into A. Here we got I equal to BA. Therefore, B equal to A inverse. What is the A inverse means? A inverse equal to here minus 7, 3, 5, minus 2. Next, question number 1 to question number 14, all 2 by 2 matrices only. You can use elementary operation method. These are the 4 steps. If they given elementary row operation method, 2 by 2 matrix they given. A equal to A11, A12, A22, A21. Here A21, A22. Total 2 by 2 matrix. Total 4 elements they given. Here step 1, R1 implies R1 by A11. Second step, R2 implies R2 minus A21 R1. Step 3, R2 implies R2 by A22. Step 4, R1 implies R1 minus A12 R2. Question number 1 to question number 14, all 2 by 2 matrix problems only. First problems I completed. Remaining problems you can practice. Same, you can use that 4 steps and you can solve. Next one, question number 15 to question number 17, that is a 3 by 3 matrix. Here 3 by 3 matrix. Here I wrote the steps. Here 3 by 3 matrix, total 9 elements are there. That's why 9 steps. Previous 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 means 4 elements are there. That's why you are using 4 steps. Now see here 3 by 3 matrix, 9 elements are there. You can use these 9 steps. You will get answer. A inverse matrix. Step 1, R1 implies R1 by A11. Step 2, R2 implies A21 R1. Step 3, R3 implies R3 minus A31 R1. Step 4, R2 implies A2 by A22. R2 by A2. Step 5, R1 implies R1 minus A12 R2. Step 6, R3 implies R3 minus A32 R2. Step 7, R3 implies R3 by A33. Step 8, R1 implies R1 minus A13 R3. Step 9, R2 implies R2 minus A23 R3. If you use these 9 steps, left side A matrix will become identity matrix. We will get after using these steps I equal to BA. When I equal to BA, B is called inverse of the A matrix. You can write here A inverse equal to B. Using these 9 steps, you can solve question number 15 to question number 17. That is a 3 by 3 matrix problem. Next, we will see question number 18. Matrices capital A and capital B will be inverse of each other only if. Once again, matrices capital A and capital B will be inverse of each other only if. Now we check that condition. Inverse is exist or not. I given inverse is exist or not in 4 options. You can see AB equal to BA. It will exist? No. What is the condition? AB equal to BA equal to identity matrix. But is there condition not there? AB equal to BA equal to 0. 0 matrix. No. Option C. AB equal to 0. Here BA equal to I. Wrong. Here AB equal to I. BA equal to I. Option C also wrong. Option D. AB equal to BA equal to I. Means here inverse will exist. Here B is inverse of A is inverse of B equal to I. AB equal to BA equal to I. Option D is the correct answer. Students, this is the last exercise in matrices, exercise 3.4. We finished matrices chapter. I hope you all understood matrices chapter completely. Thank you.